Identities of Goswamis in Gaur Leela. Rupa Manjari appears as Rupa Goswami in Gaur Leela. In the northern part of Sri Lalita Sakhi's Kunja lies Rupa Lasa Kunja, where the very beautiful and graceful Sri Rupa Manjari resides. She is the foremost among the gopis, known as Priya Narma Sakhi. Her complexion is the color of Gocharan, and she delights in wearing a dress the color of peacock feathers. Her age is 13 years 6 months. The Panditas call her Rangana Malika. In age, she is one day younger than Lavanga Manjari. Rati Manjari appeared as Raghunath Das Goswami. In the southern part of Sri Induleka's Kunja lies Ratyambuja Kunja, where the beautiful Sri Rati Manjari always resides. Her dress is covered with stars, her complexion is like lightning, and she is Dakshina Mridvi in nature. The Panditas also call her Tulasi. Her age is 13 years 2 months. Lavanga Manjari appears as Sri Sanatan Goswami. In the eastern part of Sri Tungavidya's Kunja lies Lavanga Sukhada Kunja, which is very enchanting to all the beautiful eyed gopis. In that Kunja, Sri Lavanga Manjari always blissfully resides. In age, she is one day older than Sri Rupa Manjari, and she is very famous for her pleasant nature. Her complexion is like lightning, and she wears a dress marked with stars. She gives much happiness to Sri Krishna, and her nature is always Dakshina Mridvi. Her age is 13 years 6 months and 1 day. In Kali Yuga, in Gaur Leela, she is known as Sri Sanatan Goswami. Rasa Manjari appears as Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. In the western part of Sri Chitra's Kunja lies Rasananda Kunja, where the beautiful Rasa Manjari always resides. She is famous as being, in all respects, the life of Sri Rupa Manjari. Her dress is like the feathers of a swan, and her complexion is like a fully blossomed champaka flower. She is rich in qualities much like those of Sri Lavanga Manjari. Because she has taken shelter of Sri Rupa Manjari, she has become very dear to her. She serves as a messenger between Radha and Krishna, and she is very clever in arranging their meeting. Her age is 13 years, and in Gaur Leela, she is known as Raghunatha Bhatta Goswami. Guna Manjari appears as Gopala Bhatta Goswami. In the northeastern part of Sri Champakalata's Kunja lies the beautiful Gunananda Prada Kunja, where Sri Guna Manjari always resides. Her complexion is bright like lightning, and she wears a fine silk dress the color of a red jaba flower. She is famous for her strong desire to make Rupa Manjari happy. She is 3 days younger than Sri Tulasi and is the delight of Sri Krishna. She is described as being Dakshina Prakhar in nature. Her age is 13 years, 1 month and 27 days. In Gaur Leela, she is known as Sri Gopala Bhatta Goswami. Manjulali Manjari appears as Lokanatha Goswami. In the northern part of Sri Sudevi's Kunja lies the beautiful Leelananda Pradha Kunja, where the charming Sri Manjulali Manjari always resides. She is full of pleasant qualities and is very dear to Sri Rupa Manjari. Her dress is red like a jaba flower, and her complexion is like molten gold. She is also known as Sri Leela Manjari. Her nature is Vama Madhya, and her age is 13 years, 6 months and 7 days. In Gaur Leela, She is known as Sri Loknath Goswami. Vilas Manjari appears as Srila Jiva Goswami. In the southeast part of Sri Vishaka's Kunja lies the very beautiful Vilasananda Kunja, where Sri Vilas Manjari always remains as one of Sri Rupa Manjari's Sakhis. She has a bodily color like that of a golden ketaki flower, and her dress is the color of a bumblebee. Her nature is Vamamridvi, and she is 4 days younger than Sri Rasamanjari, making her age 12 years, 11 months, and 26 days. In Gaur Leela, she is known as Sri Jiva Goswami. Kasturi Manjari appears as Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj. In the southwest corner of Sri Rangadevi's Kunja lies one more Kunja, which is known as Kasturiya Ananda Kunja, the residence of Sri Kasturi Manjari. She wears a dress that resembles crystal, and her complexion is like pure gold. Her age is 13 years and her nature is Vamamridvi. In Kali Yuga, in Gauranga Leela, she is known as Sri Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Thank you very much. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.